Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Yeah, today we're discussing about JCL introduction. So let's start. Simply JCL structure JCL statements are coded in between the 80 bytes and column 1 and 2 are called as identifier field, and it is mandatory to write a JCL program. If you are writing a JCL program, then it is mandatory. And from the column 3 to 10 are called as name field. In this name field, you can type anything, job name or else a job ID. Okay, for that purpose, it is not more than 8 characters. Okay, you have to give only 8 characters. Okay, maybe alphabets or numbers, anything as you wish. And column 12 to 15 called as operation field. And in the operation field, we will write job, exec, and DD parameters. And from column 17 to 72 called as operand field. And after 72, we have 73 to 80 called as continuation field. And in the continuation field, we will there is a default sequence code. Sequence code means there is a sequence numbers. If you want to remove those sequence numbers, there's like optional sequence numbers, and if you want to remove that, then you have to type unnum UNNUM in the command bar. So by that you can remove your sequence numbers. We'll see how the structure will be. Right now you can see those two are called as identifiers. Name field is called as a job name, and operation field there is a job, and these are the called positional parameters and keyword parameters. In the operand field, we will use positional parameters followed by keyword parameters. We have to write positional parameters in the starting, and after positional parameters only we have to write keyword parameters. So first of all, come to identifier field. You can see the picture in the left side. If you're giving two slashes, then it will take as a statement. Okay, then you can start your statement by giving two slashes. If you are giving a one slash and one star, then also it will take, and you can start your coding by starting with slash and star. And if you are giving two slashes and star means it will take as a comment, so it won't take as a statement. Then you have to, it is like a comment, like headers, what you want to, like it's a message. Got it? Okay, in the name field, we will provide our job card, sorry, our job ID, or else anything regarding steps names, or sort in, sort out, system, sysprint, sysin, like steps, any step name, what you want to provide in your name field as you wish. But after completion of a name field, you have to give one space to write operation field. Okay, in the name field, here you can take anything, like it must be 1 to 8 characters, like it consists of 1 to 8 characters, whatever you want to take, you can take. And which may be letters, numbers, or national characters like hashtag, at the rate, and dollar also. Okay, the first character of a name should be a letter or a national character. And after that, we'll see what are the errors we will get if we give any mistakes in this. So in the name field, look at the first example. Here the name field is of length 9 characters. Then we are getting this error, like if you are giving your name field like a work library, more than 8 characters, then you can see that work library means a libra, work libra is over long name field. And the second one, here the name field begins with numeric value, hence we get this error, like it is starting with a numeric value. So what is saying, it is a illegal name field. Got it? So you have to type uh, either numbers or national characters, and name should be a letter or a national character. It may be, don't start with number, it may be characters or else any national character. And after that, you can see about operation field. Operation field consists of three different statements, like in the JCL there are three different statements. Okay, first one is job, second one is exec, and third one is DD. And this field can be coded anywhere in the JCL, but it should be separated from the name field by at least one blank. After typing your name, name field, you can give one space and you can type it anywhere. Okay, you can type it anywhere. However, the operation field should be started in the column 12 from 12 to 15. Our operation field consists of 12 to 15. And the 16th one is filler. And after that, parameters field. Parameters field will start. Parameter field means operand. In the operand, we will use these parameters. The parameter field begins at least one position after the end of a operation field and can extend into column 71. 71 means after 72 to 80, we can call it as a continuation field. Okay. So in the parameters field, within the parameters field, we have to code one or more parameters that supply information that influences how the statement is processed. Everything. Uh, what you want to work with your files like PS or PDS files, what you want to do with your files, you can give any type of parameters in the parameter field. Okay, we'll discuss about what are the parameters are there and what are the types of parameters. There are two types of parameters like positional and keyword parameters, and we'll discuss about positional parameter. What is meant by positional parameter and what is meant by keyword parameter. Let's see about positional parameter. Yeah, right now it's a positional parameter. Positional parameter consists of characters that appear in uppercase in the syntax and must be coded as shown. It's like a variable information. It means accounting information or else a data on DD statement and a programmer's name and PSM equals to programmer name, right? And after that, you know, accounting information and check the 8th point. Okay, check the 8th point. I Z9 to 369 MV is my ID. Okay, is my job ID followed by identifiers, and after that one space. 11th one is filler, and from 12 to 15 is my operation field, and it consists of job. And after that A123 means accounting information. It is an accounting information and it is a positional parameter. Okay, and after that, if you want to divide your positional parameters and keyword parameters, then it must be a followed by comma. You have to give comma. You have to separate with a comma. And after typing comma, you have to give your programmer's name in between the single quotations. Like giving about MV Edutech. Okay, in between the single quotations, you have to separate it, and after that, you have to separate with a column. And class equals to A. Class equals to A means it is a keyword parameter. We'll discuss about in the keyword parameters. And right now you can see about keyword parameters. For you, simply you can remember it like if any keyword, it is followed by a equals to sign. Got it, right? If any, you can see, right, example RD equals to R and message class equals to anything like any type of priority you want to give, you can give anything. Any parameter is followed by equals to sign, then you can simply say it is a keyword parameter. Got it, right? And for you, look at this example, and this both are the identifiers, and after that my job name 1 to 8 character length, and after that this is operation field, it is my job, and after that one space filler, and after that in bracket there is accounting information 3434E and comma, and I separated both positional parameters with one single comma, and in between the single quotations we typed we write positional parameters, sorry, accounting information 3434E, and we separate both positional parameters with a comma, and after that while you are giving your programmer's name in between single quotations, that programmer name consists of 1 to 20 character long. Okay, and this accounting information and programmer's name are called as positional parameters, and after that you have to give comma to separate positional parameters and keyword parameters. And in the keyword parameters we have class equals to A, and message class equals to 1, message level equals to 1 comma 1 comma, and priority equals to 6, and type run equals to scan. We'll see about what is meant by priority, message class, message level, class, everything we'll see in the further videos, like while we are doing coding and everything. We'll and let's try the program by these concepts, then we can learn. And now open JetOS. Now open Vista software that you downloaded before. And after that, you know how to log in, right? Press log on and your ID and type your password. And after that, it will take some time to connect to the server. So don't type anything while it was showing here X system. It means that the process is going on. So don't press any further keys. And right now it is saying like enter to proceed to ISPF. So now press enter, and it will take some time to go there. So wait for some time and press enter. Yes, you got it right. This is the ISPF primary option menu, and right now we can see we have to go utilities. Okay, this is the utilities page, utilities option, type 3, and now you have to give 2 because you want to create a new data set. And if you want to show where the first of all you have to type it option 2, and after that this is the dataset utility panel. These 7 dots is our ID, inbuilt ID. If you want to give, then you can give like I'm creating a PDF file because I want to do many more codings in a group of file. So in a folder. So that's why I'm creating a PDS, like a partition dataset. And I want to say here two more important points. This is the our ID, and if you don't want to give like this, then you can. This 7 dots is our ID. If you want to give directly, also you can give. If you don't want to give, then in between the single quotations you can give with your ID z92369 dot a youtube a yo youtube dot pds. And remember one point here, in between these these pointer and this pointer, like this dot and this dot, we have to give only 8 characters. Right now how many characters? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, if you give more than 8 it won't take, and maximum length of this dataset name is 44. Okay, and you have to give a single quotation here also. After giving 2 single quotations, in between the single quotations you have to type your user ID and whatever name you want to create. If you are creating here PDS, means it is not PDS. We'll go to the further process. And right now if you want to allocate a new dataset, then you have to allocate it by giving option A. Option A, it is the new dataset, that's why I'm allocating it. And this is the allocating new dataset panel, means in this only we will allocate a new dataset by our required space and quantities. Okay, this page will decide is it a PS or PDS. So first of all, management class, I'm saying those are like mandatory fields you have to give. What I left it as a blank, so don't it is these are all are optional. It will take a system default, so don't worry about that. And here is the space units. Space units is called blocks, tracks, cycles, kilobyte, megabyte, bytes, or records. Okay, and right now I'm using tracks. You can give track or trks as you wish. And primary quantity, right now I'm taking, I want to do more codings, so I'm giving 15, and 15 in the secondary quantity. And directory block, primary quantity 15, secondary quantity 15, and directory blocks 10. In the directory blocks, we have a formula like 1 unit equals to 6 bytes. Okay, for that purpose, there is a formula for that. It means directory blocks into n minus 1, like if you are giving 10. Okay, that means 10 into 6 60. 1 unit equals to 6 bytes. Then 10 into 6 60. 60 minus 1, it means 59. 59 members we can create in this PDS. Okay, and record length is 80. And am I wrong or not? Record format, record length, extend PDS. Okay, no problem. It's created now. And coming to ISPF primary option, and type press 3 or 3.4. You can use any shortcut also. It option 3. And now option 4 is used to display all the datasets, all the dataset names in our user ID. So 4. And right now in the DS name level, we have two types. We can see our datasets in two types, like by user ID. It means my user ID Z92369, or else after user ID dot star. Okay, you can give either, I mean, as you wish. Okay, however you want, you can give. I got it right. And but look at this, there is so many data sets here. So how can I find my data set? Got it. You can press F8 here. You can see option F8 down to get down. Press Fn plus 8, F8. Go down like this. You got it right. Z9316 YouTube.pds. Like you don't have much time, and you don't have that much patience to search that. So like for that people, you can find f z92369 dot a YouTube. Got it right? You will get it in the first. I'll show it here again. And I'm now trying in the second option, star, a dot star. And right now I want to type z9, sorry, f means find. Okay, find z92369 dot a YouTube, and press enter. You will get that PDS with that username at the top. And right now there are so many options here. This is called as command field, command bar. Okay, and this is also command, but this command used for data sets. This command used for our operations, like whatever you want to do with these data sets, you can do it here directly. You can use multiple tabs and everything. Those shortcuts you can type it here. And for this PDS, for the PS and PDS shortcuts, the dataset name shortcuts, you can use it in the command field. Okay, right now you can see how many shortcuts or commands are there for the datasets. Here keep cursor and press enter, then you will get this data set list actions. It means the pattern for that. And option 1 is for edit, and 2 is for view, 3 is for browse, 4 is for member list, 5 is for delete, 6 is for rename. We will rename the dataset. Short info, print, catalog, and catalog. Compress you will use sometimes when you get a E037 error. If the file exceed the limit of the, I mean, if the file exceeds the limit, then you will get some errors like E037 in the COBOL, like that, some space error you will get. So in the time you can do compress. Okay, compress the file, then it will release some amount of space in the coding in the dataset. So you will get some space to do your coding without any errors. Like, or else you can go back and you can press here also. e. E means edit. Okay, what it is showing, no members in data set. Okay, it means no members in data set means there is no members in the data set because it is a PDS file and we have to create a member in the PDS. So first of all, give left bracket. Today we are discussing about basics. I'm giving basics as a member name and give right bracket and press enter, and you will get a edit entry panel. If you are not giving res here, I'm removing. If you are not giving it, it will give you this warning message. Okay, got it right? So for that purpose, if you want to remove here, then you have to press reset. Okay, reset. If you reset it, then the warning message will go. Or else you don't have much time, you're lazy, then you can think like what are the members you are creating, it will come here from now, and press E here, and you will get directly, right? So after that I'll remove that. Okay, res remove, and I means this is the command bar. Okay, look at this, and this is very very important. We can insert. Right now I want to insert I10, and it is inserting 10 lines, right? So now we can code. Yeah, we already discussed about these two are identifiers. So wait, I'll show you columns and everything. You can type it here, columns, to get here only. Giving here, you can type press enter, and you will get these columns. Okay, so I want to delete this line, or else you can give delete also, or else press enter also. If it is blank, then it will go. If you want to give D, then it is deleted. Now I press enter. Oh wait, delete. Yeah, got it right. Right now I'm typing code topic, and it is simply like those two lines will refer identifiers. These two are very very mandatory for JCL statements, and for in the VSAM also we will use to in the VSAM also we will use, and in the GDZ also we will use. For every JSL it is common. Okay, for the condition fields only we didn't use any uh, identifiers. So for JSL it is common, and after that from 3 to 10 it is our name field. So Z9 to 369 M V am giving. Okay, after that 11 is our space. Space means filler. One space you have to give. After that operation field, job, and after that one space. Actually for till 15 it is our operation field, and 16 is the filler. From 17 you have to type A1 2 3. This is called positional parameter. Okay, positional parameter, and I'm separating the positional parameter with another positional parameter by inserting a comma in between that, and we have to type programmer's name. Programmer's name means MV Edutech, and between the single quotations, whatever programmer's name you want to give, you can give it, and after that you have to separate positional parameter and keyword parameter by a comma, and after that you have to give class equals to a, and we have higher priority for the class H. Okay, class H a higher priority than class A, and this is the JCL first one, job card. Okay, you can call it as a job card. Okay, got it right. And we can write another step for this JCL, like there is another message class and everything. Actually I have to give comma here. So if you have any continuation in the second line, then you have to end with a comma. If the step is okay, this class step is over, or else if the step one is over, then you don't have to mention any comma at last. So we'll see now. Okay, message class equals to a, and message level equals to 1 comma 1. Got it right? And comma, and I'll explain this. Notify equals to ampersand sys uid. Got it right? Yes. Actually, this is our, maybe I don't want to lag this topic for you guys. So this is called positional parameters. These both are positional parameters, and this is called keyword parameters, and these are also called as keyword parameters. Tech means the programmer's name, and you are mentioning that it has to go, it has to go to the class A, and you are giving as message class to display the output in the spool page in the message class A, and message level is 1 comma 1, and notify equals to ampersand sys uid. Notify means it will notify the status, like status of the job. After submitting this job, you will get a job be submitted, or else if it is have any errors, then it will show. Okay, right now we can this is the steps till now we discussed, and about this in the next class, like exact dd and program, what is my program, iefbr 14 utilities, and everything we'll see in the next class. So guys, like if you like our content, so share our efforts, okay? And if you really appreciate our efforts, you know what you have to do. And that's it, guys. Bye bye.